Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the stopwatch on the Garmin Instinct 2 watch. Now I'm using the 2 Solar. It shouldn't matter which version of Garmin Instinct 2 you've got. This is the Garmin Instinct 2 though. There is a Garmin Instinct 1 that operates a little bit different than this, pretty similar. If you want to use the stopwatch, no matter which watch face you're on, you're going to press and hold the bottom right button, which is your back or set button. If you're in this mode screen, I'm already on stopwatch. I can use the up or down button. If you don't see it, just basically press up or down until you get to stopwatch. You can see that it shows stopped, which basically means there's not a stopwatch running in the background. Press GPS to go into your stopwatch, and it's pretty simple from here. GPS to start it. You'll see my current time up top, my stopwatch time running here. I've got a little icon down here. This is going to be to do a lap timer. If I press GPS again, that will stop it or pause. I can resume. If I wanted to reset it while it's stopped, I'm going to basically press the down button. You'll see the little icon here. That'll restart or reset my stopwatch. Let's go ahead and start it. I'll show you how to do a lap. So I'm out, I'm running. I just finished my first lap. I want to record it. We're going to press the back button while the stopwatch is running. Lap 1 is recorded. Now, instead of seeing the current time, we're going to see the total elapsed time for the stopwatch. I've got my second lap going. Again, I can press the back button to record as many laps as I need to. You'll notice that lap 1 isn't gone. There's a little down arrow here. If I need to go review previous laps, and I've got more than 2 of them, I can simply press the down button, and now I can see lap 1, lap 2, press the up button to go back up and see lap 3. The one thing I did want to mention is you don't have to stay in the stopwatch screen. If I want to go back to my main watch face, I'm not going to press back. Watch what happens if I press the back button. It just starts another lap. If I press and hold the back button, however, it will take me out of the stopwatch and put me back in the regular mode screen. You can see that my stopwatch is still running. Now, since I'm in the regular mode screen and out of the stopwatch, I can press back and I can go do anything I want to. I'm on my regular watch face, but that stopwatch is still running in the background. If I want to go back and view it, we're going to do the same thing we did to get into it. We're going to press and hold the back button. We can see the stopwatch still running there. We're going to press the GPS button to go into it. And then again, same features as we saw before. I can stop it and I can restart it. Pretty simple stuff. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.